Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Netflix problem with payment method, card update, billing fix and retry steps. So step 1 is open a web browser. Avoid using a smart TV or game console for accessing Netflix. Open a web browser like Safari, Chrome or Edge. Use a phone, tablet or computer to access the internet. Navigate to the Netflix website. Second step is log into your account. Click sign in the top right corner, then enter your email address and password. Choose the main profile. Third step is navigate to account setting. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, select account from the drop down menu. Fourth step is access payment info. Locate the membership and billing section at the top of the screen. Click on manage payment info located on the right side. Fifth step is update or add a card. Click change payment method or add it next to your current card. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code and billing zip postal code. Then click save to update your payment information. Sixth step is wait for automatic retry. Netflix will attempt to charge the updated card immediately. If the charge is successful, the screen will refresh. Video service will be restored instantly. Thanks for watching.